Nation. Happy Monday. Today's workout, we got a little bro-cessarry for today. It's a 15-minute cap, so move through it in a decent pace. There's A, B, and C. So A, there's 3 rounds of side delt raises, front delt raises, and then some rotation delt raises. After the whole round, rest a minute and then do your second round. And then same thing, 8 to 10, 8 to 10, 8 to 10, rest a minute, do your third round. So there will always be a minute rest after A and B. Complete all of A before you move on to B. So the side delt raises, if you don't have super lighter dumbbells, get some cans, maybe just something. But if you have a weight to where you're swinging these without any control, then find something a little lighter. So that side delt raise, pretty easy, right? You're just raising your arms up and down with some control, almost like those prone tees that we do. This time just weighted and standing. And then from here you have those front delt raises, same thing. Pinning my shoulder blades back where the shoulder should be. I'm controlling it up and down. Like I said, if you have a heavy weight to where you're just swinging, right? You're essentially just swinging weights up. And then the rotation delt raise, all you're doing is you're bringing it up, right? Getting the whole delt itself as one. So just arms up, rotate out. That's about it. And B, we work on that lower half. So a lot of people are strong from here to parallel, right? We're all strong here, squatting here. It's that bottom half that we're really focusing on. So make these weighted if you can. If you can't, that's fine. But you have 8 to 10 cossack squats, right? Really focus on my hips have to go back and down. And I'm trying to put as much pressure as I can into that hip, right? Now come back up to the center, other side. Like I said, if you want to make them weighted, make them weighted. Then we got 8 to 10 bottom half squats. So we're gonna work from that bottom position up to parallel and then back down. 8 to 10 of those suckers. And then a single leg wall sit. This will be 20 seconds each leg. We should be professionals at it by now. And then we have this little burnout set. So this tension deadlift, you're accumulating 1 minute. The moment there's no tension on it, stop your clock or your stopwatch. At home, I wouldn't use a hoodie. I would probably use a towel. Right, I'm in that deadlift position. I'm creating tension by driving myself into the ground and pulling up on whatever you're using. For this instance, we're using a hoodie. But like I said, make it sturdy. We're just trying to work all the muscles we would in a deadlift without the barbell, right? So we're creating tension. So make sure you really pull hard, squeeze everything, have that nice neutral spine, and that's it. So you're accumulating a minute. Don't just sit there for a minute and just kind of watch the clock and kind of pull up. If you stop and there's no tension, right, shake it off and then accumulate that minute. And then when you're done with that, 50 hollow rocks, you're gonna bang them out. That's it. That's the WOD for today. There's 2 options. Option A is if you don't have handstand push-ups, and then option B is you have handstand push-ups. Same thing. So A, you have 9 single arm shoulder to overhead with a dumbbell. These are all single arm, and that will be 9 each arm. And then you have 12 single arm overhead lunges, and that's 12 total, so 6 each leg, and then 35 dubs or singles. And then option B, the only difference is handstand push-ups, you still have the lunges and the dubs. Attack this fast, it's 9 minutes, it's not a lot of time. You should shoot for like 4 to 5 rounds, depending on which one you do. And make the dumbbells somewhat heavy, 35 for the ladies, 50 for the men, or anywhere in that range. That's it. It's 9 minutes. Go super fast. Other than that, I'll warm up. A general warm up. It's 1 minute each for 2 rounds. We're just gonna jump rope nice and easy. A nice little shuttle run. Your shuttle run, just pick somewhere you can just run back and forth at a good, decent pace. And then these single leg broad jumps. Your single leg broad jumps. Remember, focus on a nice soft landing. Try and get as far as you can with these jumps also, right? And then a slight bend when you catch. Then we're going to this dynamic warm up. It's 1 time through. So you're gonna go a 100-meter run. Then you're gonna grab yourself a PVC or a broom, whatever you have at home. Regular grip, 10 pass-throughs, right? Get nice and wide. After those 10, you have another 10 pass-throughs. This time your palms are gonna be facing up. We have that reverse grip. For some, this is gonna be super hard. Just do your best. The wider you go, the easier it would be. Right, so you hit up 10 of those. And then we have these 10 single arm plank rotations. In these single arm plank rotations, you're putting your full weight onto whatever arm is supporting you as you rotate, right? So try not to sink into your shoulder. I'm pressing away from the floor, creating tension as I rotate, and I'm coming back. No push-up needed. Nice and easy controlled movement. Try and get that full rotation also. From here, you just have 10 down dogs, right? Treat it more as a stretch, hold it for a little bit, come back to neutral, and that push-up position, and then push just a little further from there. After that, you go for one more run, 100-meter run or 30 seconds worth, and then you have this little complex. So one rep would look like this, right? These movements all flow into each other. You have a cossack squat to one side, stay nice and low, don't come up, shift over to the other side. Now from here, Bernie's gonna rotate into that lunge with a reach position, right? Open up that hip from here. He's gonna stand up, bring his knee to his chest. And then from here, a single leg deadlift, essentially. He's gonna kick his leg back, touch, boom, and then do it again. If you went on the right side that time, do the left side until you get to 10. So one more time, cossack squat, staying low, rotate into that lunge with a reach. From here, he's bringing that knee to his chest, and then he's gonna go into that single leg RDL. And that will be rep 2, and you do that 10 times. Other than that, that's about it for today. Your cool down, I didn't write it down. Go for a run. 5 minutes, talking pace, grab someone in your house, a family member, a kid, 5 minutes, go for a run, and then should be solid.